Hey everyone. If you're someone who's looking for a tool that will help you to build AI agents, AI models, multi models in one place without writing a single piece of code, I have something for you. I came across a brilliant tool called Sync Teams, which will help you to build everything in one place. It's a single dashboard where it has access for all the softwares like APIs, LLMs that you can just call, make use of it. And if you have something, like wonderful use case, that's all it needs. All you need to do is just interconnect with step by step approaches that you wanted to build your applications with, and this tool has everything. So all you need to do is just have a API key or any LLM model that you can have access to, or just have Gemini access because it is free now. Just go to Google API and AI Studio. Just have this API key generated and copy paste and make use of it everywhere. So it is like free now. So just you have everything, and all you need to do is just get a access from Sync Teams, and you're done with that. So I'll just give a quick demo on this application so that you will get to know about how this can happen in one place without writing a single piece of code. Let's get started. Okay, so I just created a workspace here. All you need to do is just click here, and you can just have your application name in here, and it is done. Your workspace is ready. So just click Teams. This is where your root, that is your major application that will just access each and every tools that is connected with. So it is like root where it instructs everything, so it is connected with every other applications that you wanted to build with. So Teams, you can just name this with something like sample test or anything. Here it depends on your use case, so I'm just giving for summarize the paragraph paragraph sorry uh by the paragraph into 3 to 4 lines. So I'm just giving the description what my application is about. So I just gave the description here, and knowledge in here is if I have any reference, I can give that here. I mean, the link I can give it in here, or if I have any PDF files or something, I can just upload that. I have already an application which I have, or you can just create something from your folder and upload from your folder that you have created. So this is done, and here is a chunk size that you can build. I mean, number of chunks in the sense, like, right, like it is about your number of paragraphs or something that it need to align with the each tokens. So chunk size is your tokens that it can process with. So chunk by chunk, in the sense like batch, like similar to that batch, and chunk overlaps. So overlaps. So it is default. Just try to use the default one and make create something bigger just for the for just to practice. Have something like a default one and make use of that. So provider, I'm choosing Gemini because I have access for that. I told you it is free now. You can make use of that. And by default, I'm using this model from Gemini, which is available. And that's all. So I need to, yes, give the key, which I already gave one. If you wanted to create your API key as your variable, you can create one, like give name for it, like key or something. I gave API previously, and give your paste your key here and save. If it is sensitive, you should not give or show to anybody. You can just click on sensitive. It will hide completely. And that's it. So you can just save this. Node is saved successfully. So this is simple, right? Like you can directly use this as an application by just straight away running this, it will run execute and give you the actual thing. But if you wanted to build an AI agent, wanted to assign tasks to it, you can create one here by clicking this plus node, assigning tasks to your AI agents. So I'm just giving the goal for my AI agent. So goal is to summary, right? Summarize, because I'm just trying to summarize my text and do some task. So you can just specify your task here. That is your goal. Backstory is like a little bit of description that it needs, because we just assigned to previously we assigned, right? Like same thing, just give a description about your agent. Just have a backstory like you are an AI agent and you are able to read this particular website and summarize this entire website and give me a summary of it, and just paste it in a Google Doc or a sheet and send it to me in my personal mail. So those things you can give as a backstory. I mean, the script for your agent to perform with. I love delegation. Yes, it is not a manager. It is not the main agent, because we have a route to instruct each and everything. So I'm just allowing the delegations. I mean, it can just process by itself, and even if it is needed anything, it can just come and ask me. There is an option for that. And providers here again, your Google Gemini. Here's the actual model I'm selecting as a Flash. Flash is a base model, I mean, without going for a pro. So I just gave my this thing, and that's all. So this is how it is. If I need to have any tools that it need to integrate with, means I can have one. Okay. Yeah. So backstory I need to have. I'm just giving for summary. So agent is added. So if I need to add any tool in here, I can do that. So can you see like n number of tools in here that you can just access applications and tools. Tools we have Gmail. Do you have Gmail? Yes, they have a Gmail. And Gmail, what it need to do, I told, right, we don't have to write a piece of code. All you need to give is the instructions that it need to do. Like, do I need to delete it? Do I need to send it, revert it, draft, anything it may be. So it have all the tasks that a Gmail can perform. So all you need to do is you can just select anything that it need to do, send email, get email attached. So everything that you can select and have it in here. And yes. So OAuth 2 that I'm using, authentication by default, just select with that. Don't get confused with these things, because it is colors, okay? It is not error. Don't get confused. So I have already integrated with Gmail. So I'm just giving it. If you wanted to add new connection, you can give. If you are someone who's new using Gmail, you can just add a new connection by giving your connection name. It may be test or sample or even Gmail. You can just give and connect to it. It will just direct you to your actual email. So that is how it is done. So this is like simple application, right? I have built this application before. So I just build this one. So what this application does is it actually reads uh, content from a particular website that I gave, and it reads everything and summarize that content and paste that into a Google Doc and send that into my personal email. So this is the task it will do. So I'm just doing that. I just connected. What I showed here, the same thing here, what I did. And to run and execute this one, I need to click on this. Let's wait for few seconds. That's all it requires. Okay. I gave this link to my doc and I mean my application to read and summarize this entire thing about introduction to AI agents. Now let's see how it is actually giving. I'm checking my email, refreshing it. Once again. Ah, yes. So these are like two email ID that I gave linked with my application, AI agent. So it just gave me with the title, yes, of the particular link that I gave. So this article explains AI agent differs from large language model by being proactive. So it just gave me a summary of this entire model. I mean, sorry, this link, the blog that I gave, and it just gave me the summary of it entirely. And yeah, it's brilliant, right? I tried few more things previously, so don't get amazed. All I wanted to say is this is the actual page of theirs, sourcing teams. So they have like everything specified, what all the icons and what it does, each and how to use. So that's all, guys. I have, built this end-to-end AI agent with this application, Sync Teams. So try with it and just see like how you actually performing with your use cases. It differs and it is very simple. You saw right, like it just created one in just within 10 minutes. But just understand what all the key and icons and some of the tools. Then you can build a number of AI agents in one go. So without writing a code. So thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next video.